Hey y'all, I got a delicious recipe for you. We're making vegan lobster and lemongrass stir fry. This is gonna be so good, y'all. Don't it look good? Now, this recipe is just for you guys, my Patreon subscribers. This is where you'll come to get exclusive recipes. So let's get started. We start off with one package of Verasoy vegan lobster sticks. You guys can find these in your Asian grocery store where they carry all of the other Asian mock meat products. It kind of tastes like imitation crab meat. I know you all remember what imitation crab tastes like. I used to tell people all the time that they were eating soy anyway, and they didn't want to believe me because that's all it is soy with a little bit of fish in those imitation crab sticks. And so this is what your vegan lobster sticks taste like. They're really good. I am adding some edamame beans. They add extra protein to the dish and they're really good. I love them. They go really good in stir fries. I've got a stalk of lemongrass here. I am going to peel off the outer layers and I'm going to get ready to cut it. I have washed and peeled off the outer layers of the lemongrass and I want the piece that's in the middle. You'll know what I'm talking about when you work with it. So I'm going to slice this now into small tiny pieces. Now I'm taking the lemongrass and I'm going to make a paste. The paste will go over the vegan lobster sticks as a marinade. So in my food processor, I have 3 stalks of the lemongrass. We're going in with olive oil, and I also have 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and I have about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And we're just going to blend this up really fine. If you all have one of those smaller magic blenders, you can use that as well. The most important part is that you want the lemongrass to become completely pulverized because it's kind of hard and fibrous. Now we're going to pulverize this into a nice paste. In a separate bowl, I have taken the vegan lobster sticks and I have cut them diagonally. I don't like using them in the long form that they're in. I think they work much better cut diagonally like this. We're going to stir the lemongrass paste in and let this sit for about 1 hour. In a saucepan, I've got a little bit of oil and I'm getting ready to sweat out 1 red pepper and 1 orange pepper. I'm not going to add any garlic at this point because we already put garlic onion paste, or excuse me, garlic ginger paste into the lemongrass paste mixture. We're going in with a 1/2 cup of edamame beans. These are soybeans that were harvested before they were fully ripened. So they're actually baby soybeans and they're really good. A lot of people think that they may taste like lima beans because they look similar, and they couldn't be more wrong. Edamame beans are actually very sweet. They have a sweet taste. They are nothing like a lima bean, and they bring good flavor to a dish. Yay, so it's time to add the marinated vegan lobster sticks back into the pan with the peppers and the edamame beans. And we're just going to let this saute a little bit. This has an amazing lemongrass flavor. There's nothing like using fresh lemongrass. And I mean, if you don't have a blender or a food processor, you can use dried lemongrass. A lot of people don't know that they can take dried lemongrass, put a little bit in their rice when they're cooking it, and it'll give the rice an amazing flavor because lemongrass has that bold lemon flavor. It's just like none other. And so we're just going to continue to stir this around, and we're going to allow all the flavors to seep through. This is going to be so good, y'all. I can't wait. So now we're about to go in with 2 cups of cooked basmati rice, and we're going to stir this around, allow the flavors to get incorporated, let that lemongrass seep through the rice, the ginger, the garlic, the turmeric. It's going to be amazing. Now, this is the dish you all are going to take to the vegan potluck, okay? This is what you're going to do to wow everybody else at the potluck, all right? So I tried to add a little vegan shrimp to this as well, but the store didn't have any, and they haven't had any the past 3 or 4 times I went there. Y'all are buying it all out. I can remember a long time ago, the aisle that would have the vegan shrimp and the vegan lobsters, all those products used to be completely stocked because there were no vegans, and we used to be the only ones getting all the products. So that's amazing. Y'all have bought out all of the vegan shrimp in my area. And here's your final product: vegan lobster and lemongrass stir fry with red peppers and edamame beans. Love you guys.